Hi everyone, this is Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is for the week ending June 16th of 2019. The stock was LB, one of those retail stocks. Date happened on Monday, that was the 10th. This is based on a 60-minute DTS breakdown play with an entry on a 1-minute secondary sign of weakness. Management simple, reward to risk 2.2 to 1. It lasted until about noon with 3 targets taken total. Not a lot going on this week, just the Monday night bi-weekly scanning night. If you received this in your email, you all remember, you will get your invite. If you're seeing this somewhere else, make sure to go to the website at DTS and click somewhere to become a member. It's free and you get invited to good stuff. Here is the daily chart of LB. The daily chart was not critical for this trade. The main chart in focus was the 60-minute and the 15-minute chart, but the daily chart here was not in an uptrend. You can see this is how it looked before the day of the trade, and then after the day of the trade we had that nice red bar come in, which looks really nice after the fact, of course. Here is the 60-minute chart. This was the focus. This was the chart of reference, really. We had that 2-day consolidation. Although the hourly chart was somewhat sideways right here, the daily chart was downtrending. And it's also the reason that I was not real aggressive the way I entered, which you'll see in a minute. 60-minute chart looked like that before the trade, and then afterwards, of course, it looked like that. This trade was taken very early in the morning. A lot of the trades I do, I like that advantage you have during that 9:35 reversal time if you know how to use it. Here's the 5-minute chart, and you can see here, on a lot of trades like this, I would be aggressive in taking it up at the top of the base, but because this is kind of a sideways pattern, I wanted to get the confirmation. It's called the secondary sign of weakness. That's the base going into the close from the prior day that you see on the 60-minute chart. My entry was underneath that bar right there, a secondary sign of weakness. A lot of times I will take it near the top of the base, but in this case, because the 60-minute chart was a little unclear, I wanted to see the weakness come in. We had that red bar topping tail and then a new low being made. So it still had a relatively nice stop involved. Target 1 taken after that hard bar decline trailed the first target. It was still over 1 risk unit, and that happened fairly quickly in about 20 minutes. And then target 2 at the reversal time as it trailed out, bouncing back, and then target 3 was a really nice target. Took it all the way down to right there. Didn't get the low of the day. When you have a 5-minute chart like that and you look back, you wonder why you didn't do better, but sometimes these don't follow through like that. This was a really nice follow through. Hard to mess up on the management. And to get a little more detail, here's the 1-minute chart, so you can see some detail in there with the entry. You can see now under that 1-minute bar, target 1, target 2, and then target 3 is off the chart there. This trade, like all the others you see in these Trade of the Week videos, are done in the DTS Trading Room, where these symbols are scanned for ahead of time, presented. A handful of favorites are there at the open. We try to nail it early in the morning, manage out, and be done in the late morning sometime. For those of you interested, feel free to take a trial to the DTS Trading Room. You can find out how at the website on the services page. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.